Hello everyone, this is Andy from SPROLINK. Today I'm going to show you our latest product, the MD2-4K. MD2-4K is a 4K dual channel live streaming switcher, which is integrates switching, live streaming and monitoring with two working modes. One is the monitoring mode, another one is the switching mode. So it is very good for a lot of applications. Okay guys, I already got the MD2-4K today. Wow, it is very fantastic. Now let me introduce the package step by step. Firstly, I would like to introduce the upper side of the package. You will find the model number of the MD2-4K and the description of the MD2-4K, and also the images of the MD2-4K. And from this side, you will find the logo of the SPROLINK. And from another side, you will find the model number of the MD2-4K and the descriptions. And this side is for the description of the MD2-4K. And also you will find from another side, there are some logo and the pattern of the MD2-4K here. Okay, this is the description of the package. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, you will find the MD2-4K. It is a metal materials with very simple and delicate design. Okay, in the bottom you will find the guarantee card and also the QR code for descriptions. Okay, let's see what's inside there. Okay, in the bottom you will find a small package. In the package you will find the USB cable, and also the power supply. And also a power adapter. This power adapter can be used in different countries. For example, if you are from United States, you will fit the United States standard. And also a Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, now let's move to the introduction of the MD2-4K. Firstly, I would like to introduce the front panel. In the front panel, you will find there is a 5.5-inch touch panel. From this touch panel, you can operate a lot of functions like the live streaming, like the monitoring, and also like recording. So this is the touch panel. In the bottom of the touch panel, you will find a logo, SPROLINK. Okay, now let's move to this part. In this part, you will find a lot of interface. Firstly is the SD card slot, and next to the SD card is the thread interface and the Wi-Fi port and the USB port. The SD card and the USB port is for recording, firmware upgrading, and logo updating. And the Wi-Fi port is for connecting to the Wi-Fi for streaming. And the thread interface is for connecting to the tripod. Okay. Now let's move to another side. In this side, you also will find the thread interface for connecting to the tripod. And next to the port is the DC power. Okay, now let's move to another part. In this part, you will find the audio and video input. Audio input, you can find the microphone interface and the monitor interface, and also two HDMI inputs. The two HDMI input is for 4K and 60 Hz, so you can connect into the 4K cameras and also 2K cameras. The two HDMI inputs can compatible with the 2K 1080p input. Okay, now let's move to another side. In this side, you will find firstly you will find the power button for connecting to the MD2-4K. And next to the button, you will find the HDMI loop. This HDMI loop out is 4K for monitoring. And also the UVC output. The UVC output is for connecting to the PC for live streaming. And last one is the HDMI out. The HDMI output is 2K 1080p for connecting to the screen. Okay, now let's move to the back panel. In the back panel, you will find the two slots. The two slots is for connecting to the batteries. So in this case, you can bring the switcher to the outdoor for outdoor activities of the live streaming. Okay, this is the brief introduction of the MD2-4K. If you would like to know more about this product, please refer to our website. Thank you for watching.